Hi. Hi guys. Let me know in the chat box if all of you are able to hear my voice. Hi Jackie sir. So we all gonna wait for 5 more minutes so that everyone can join once. And once everyone join, we will just start the session. We're just gonna wait for another 1 minute. Then we will start our live stream today. Hi guys. Also let me know if you are comfortable in English or in Hindi or in which language should we do our seminar today. So let me know. Suresh saying English. Hi Suresh. So in this live stream, we're gonna first look at a new way to integrate TradingView with AlgoTest, which is known as TradingView Strategies. Earlier, we used to connect or automate TradingView with AlgoTest using TradingView indicators. Now you can also connect your TradingView strategies, and we're gonna just demonstrate this thing for today's live stream, that how you can automate your TradingView strategies with AlgoTest. Everything, entry and exit signals will come from TradingView itself, and based on those signals or based on those alerts, we will take your trade on AlgoTest. All right. So let's go to the screen once. All right. So here we are on AlgoTest, and what we have to do is we have to go to Signal. I guess a lot of you guys already know that how to connect TradingView indicators with signals. But today we are going to look at how we can connect TradingView strategies. We can also backtest them, TradingView strategies, and after backtesting them, we can also deploy them in the live market. We can also do forward test for some time, and once we understand the whole concept of how to connect TradingView with AlgoTest, then we can also move to live trade. So first let's understand what the strategy will be, and first we will be backtesting it, and once we are done with the backtesting, then we will move to how to connect it to TradingView or AlgoTest. And once both of these are done, then I will just do a question and Q&A, and if you guys have any questions regarding signals or the new thing TradingView strategy, just do let me know in the chat box and I will answer all your questions. So let's just go over to TradingView. Here I have opened the Bank Nifty index future chart, because today's strategy we are going to trade it in futures and not in the options but in futures. So I will just show you how you can first backtest it, and once you are able to backtest it, then you can also live trade it. And the strategy logic is as such. So this text file is available as a link in the description box in this video, in this live session. You can go over to the description and you can, like, once you click on the link, this kind of file will just get open. So what we have to do right now is copy all the code from here. Once I have copied it, selected it, I have Control C, copied, go back to your TradingView, and on your TradingView you can see that there is a Pine editor. We have to open this Pine editor once. I have already opened the Bank Nifty future chart, and the time frame for this demonstration is 30 minutes. So I will just remove whatever was already here, or I can just go over to this open and click on new strategy. So yes, we can, the script name will be, I don't want to save the earlier one, new strategy, like to save them, no, and this is a new strategy. So what I can do, I will just paste the whole Pine script which I copied from the this.txt file which Chintan sir has put it in the chat box also. You can go over, you can use this link also to get this template. And once you have copied this, just go back to your TradingView, open the Pine editor, open a new strategy, remove whatever was there and just paste it over there. And once this is done, I will just click on save. It's a EMA, VWAP and volume strategy combination of all three things. I will just explain you what is the combination and what is the entry and exit signals. But right now I'm just going to save it. You're going to click on add to charts, and here it is. It's on the charts. So I guess once you are done with this, you open the Pine editor, you copy paste it, you clicked on save, you clicked on add to charts. This kind of thing will appear on your screen, your TradingView charts. It's a Bank Nifty index futures with 30-minute time frame. So let's talk about what the strategy is and what are their entry conditions for long and short both, and what will be their exit conditions. So the first will be, I will talk about the long condition, and the first condition here is that close is greater than the VWAP value. We have a VWAP and the close will be greater than the VWAP. The second condition will be that close is greater than the EMA. Whichever EMA we have selected, let it be 5, let it be 9, let it be 21, whichever, the close will be greater than EMA. The next thing will be that volume of current candle is greater than volume of previous candle. So we have three conditions. First is that close is greater than VWAP, second is close is greater than EMA, and the third one is volume is greater than previous volume, that this candle's volume is greater than previous candle's volume. And the last condition for the long will be that close is greater than open, which generally mean that it will be a green candle. So we will take the long entry when there is a green candle and not a red candle. And the last one is trade in, which basically means that for what session you want to take trade, let it be like 10 to 12, that I will only take the entry condition between 10 or 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., or it can be like anything. And then the next one is for the short. For the short, it's opposite of it, that close is less than VWAP value, then close is less than EMA. Volume, I still prefer that volume should be higher. So volume is greater than previous volume, previous candle's volume. And then open is greater than close, which means that it will be a red candle and it should be in the session time, so that we will take the entry. Then there are like exit condition, multiple exit conditions over here. The first one is that close is less than VWAP value. So here for long entry we were saying that close should be greater than VWAP value, and here we are going to say that close is greater less than VWAP value. We will just exit our trade. Or close is less than EMA, we will again exit. And if there will be some target points, there will be some stop loss points, if those are met, then we will exit the trade or the exit time comes. So there will be like 5 different kind of exits you can take from here. The first is the close is less than VWAP, then the next is close is less than EMA, or my target points hit, or my stop loss point hit, or my exit time hit. And for short exit, it will be same, just the opposite signs, that close greater than VWAP, close greater than EMA, or my target point reaches, or my stop loss point reaches, or exit time. So these will be the exit condition and the entry conditions. So if you can see here on TradingView charts also, there are some long conditions and then there are exits of them. There are some short condition and there are some exits of them. So this was a template of the strategy. What you can do is you can go over to like here, hover over the name of the strategy, and you will find the settings button. And in the settings button, there are some inputs, and you can change the input as per your need. So there is no fix that you have to only use this EMA length 21 or EMA 5 or EMA 9. You can like select whichever EMA you want. Then there is the VWAP source, that the VWAP should be calculated on the basis of either close, or we can select it on the basis of high low by 2, that basically means the average of high and low, or VWAP should be calculated on HLC by 3, something like this. Then there are stop loss points, that how many points I want to take. That stop loss should be, if 100 points in opposite direction, then that will be my stop loss. Target will be 200 points, and only take entry during this time, or exit trade at in between any of this time from 3:15 to 3:25, whenever there is a time for exit. So you can like change all these parameters, all these inputs, and make a strategy of your own. We are just providing you a template, and the template can be modified accordingly to you, how you want to test it, or what parameters you think that will be the best for this. So right now I'm just gonna go over the strategy tester. So what this strategy tester does is it provides you a backtest of the same strategy, that whatever conditions we were putting over here, we can just backtest it on the live trade. Because we are going to do this trading on futures, so it will be highly accurate, that whatever we test over here, and when we actually deploy your real money or your forward test, then it will be quite similar. Then to change the parameters to make a better strategy, what you can do, you can click on this settings button and it will again open like this. Currently I was using EMA length 21. Let's see what if I use 15. I have to click on OK because I have changed the logic now. I expect the stats to be different. The percentile profitable decreased, my net profit decreased, even my drawdown decreased, and there is how much money I made on average trade. So let's turn it back to 21. We were source, let it be HLC by 3. Then stop loss for 100 point is much for me. Let's give it 50. Target point is again 100. I'm keeping the ratio as 1:2. I think we are close to a good strategy. Net profit is great and it's on one lot actually. So percentage profitable is all right. Maximum drawdown is 50,000. Maybe I think we can change the entry duration, let it be 10-15. See if something different happens. So my drawdown increased, also my net profit, and something like this. All right, still like my maximum drawdown is a lot right now. Let's change some parameter. I was trying to decrease the maximum drawdown. So what you are essentially doing here is you're doing the same thing what you do on AlgoTest. You change the parameters and you try to find the best strategy which can work. Once you backtest it and once you find that it's working great, then like you can change it. Maybe stop loss shift is higher. I can use like 30. Change the EMA value to 15. Let's take more profit rather than saying 1:2. I will just take 1:4. Drawdown decreased. Let's just get back to the original strategy, which was 21 and 100, and the target was 200. All right, and let's take the time as the entry time 9:45. We will exit by 14:45. Like the last entry can be happen at 14:45, and you can always change all these parameters to find the best strategy. The default one was kind of great, so let's just use this. And we can also go to like property and see for how much time period it is backtesting it. So if you I'm using 30-minute time frame, so it is backtesting since 2014. So it's almost 10 years of data. It has backtested for 10 years from 2014 to 2024, and within 10 years it has provided us a net profit of 4 lakh, I guess, with a drawdown of 48,000. The percentage profitable is 37 and the average trade was 96. So you can change all of your parameters when you want to exit the trades, when you want to take the entries, stop loss points, VWAP source, EMA length, and you can also change the time frames. I think if I use like 15-minute time frame, the strategy will change. And now if I change some parameters, then I think again my strategy will change accordingly. So like you can backtest it multiple times to figure out the best strategy you can find. And once you are done with finding your strategy, let's just have a look at this. So still it's not much profitable as compared to the previous one. So we're just gonna stick to the 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute time frame, the conditions were, I have to load it again. script, it was EMA, yeah, this one. So this was the original strategy. The winning percentage is around 38%, and I will just remove this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how we can integrate this TradingView strategy with AlgoTest. So let's go back to AlgoTest dashboard, and we have to go over this signals. On signals, currently I'm just gonna do a forward test, not a live trade. So we have to create a signal, and once you create signal, earlier it was TradingView or charting, but now we can like choose two different things. Either we can choose TradingView indicator, which was the previous flow, and the new flow is TradingView strategy. We can like click on the TradingView strategy. The execution type will be forward test, and here we can like select multiple strategies up to 4. So let's now learn how we can automate everything. So I have to create a new strategy, and to select futures I have to go to this advanced strategy creation. The index will be Bank Nifty. The first entry time should be after 9:35. The exit is around, let's say, 3:25, and underlying based on the futures of that time. And which leg I want to take? I want to take future. So one lot of future buy whenever the long signals come from TradingView. So I will add a leg, one signal buy of future, no target profit, no stop loss. Everything is defined on AlgoTest, so we don't have to like on TradingView, so we don't have to define anything on AlgoTest, any target profit, stop loss, trail SLs. I can just create a single leg and I will just save it. The name, you can like put any name. I will just say volume future buy. So this will be the strategy name. Click on done, get selected. So my strategy or trade which I want to execute when a long signal come from TradingView, we have already set it up. Now I want to also create another strategy, like what should be the trade or the strategy to execute on AlgoTest when the short signal come. So I have to create another strategy. Again, go to strategy creation. Index will be the same. Exit time, let's change it to 25. And future, this time sell. The earlier one was buy, future buy. This one will be of future sell. So save and continue. Volume future sell. Done. We have both of our strategy. One is future buy and another is future sell. Now let's add strategy to Pine script. So what now we have to do is there are like strategy.entries, strategy.exit and strategy.close. These are the three functions which are always available in your TradingView strategies. So what you have to do is when you want to like take the entry for this strategy volume future buy, which basically means when you want to buy the future, on which condition in your Pine script you want to buy this future, we have to copy this comma comment and alert message. We will copy it. We will go back to our TradingView, open our Pine editor, and we have to search where are the strategy.entry and strategy.close or strategy.exit functions. So currently I'm on this future buy strategy that I want to buy this future, and here it is saying that paste it in the respective strategy dot entry functions. We copied it, we gone back to this long condition. Whenever this long condition met, I will just paste it. So the comment will be entry, and there is an alert message which is uh, strategy ID on AlgoTest. And then to exit or to close the long leg, I will copy this comment and alert message, go back to the fine editor, and I have to find like long exit, the respective long exit, and I will just paste it. I will go back to here, I have pasted. Maximum signal entry is, we can like skip it for now. And then the future sell. On what condition triggered by the TradingView strategy that I want to enter this future sell option. So I will again copy this, go back to my fine editor, and I will paste it in the short condition. The exit, for exit condition, I will copy it from here, go back to my TradingView fine editor, and I will paste it in the respective. This strategy entry, the strategy close or strategy exit will be customized for you if you have a different strategy. Like this is the template which we are providing. It looks like this. Maybe in your strategy or maybe in your customized strategy or in Pine script, it may be in some different location. So if you are still facing any issue with this, like where to paste it, you can go on our TradingView Signals Telegram group, and you can message any of us, any of the admin, and we will be able to help you with it. That way you have to paste these entry and exits. So once I am done with pasting all this strategy entry and close or exit condition, I will save the strategy once again. The strategy is saved with all the comments and alert messages now. Go back to AlgoTest, I have pasted and continue. After this, we have to give a alert name. Alert name can be maybe volume strategy. Save this, copy this JSON block. We have copied it, move back to Bank Nifty. Click on add alert. In the condition, we have to select the strategy, and this is the strategy EMAV web volume. I can like customize, name it anything, volume buy or volume strategy. Whatever we copied from this JSON, copy again. We have to paste it in the message, and this is done. Now I have to go, I paste it and copy the webhook URL, go to the notification, and in the webhook URL I will just paste it and save. We have to just create only a single alert for TradingView strategies. Like in the TradingView indicators, we had to create multiple alerts. Sometimes we have to even create 6 different alerts for just long target, long stop loss, and short entry, short target, stop loss. And if you are using TradingView strategy, you have to just create a single alert, and everything will, rest will be taken care by the Pine script itself. So we are done with this and start listening. Now these two strategies, one was future buy and the other was volume future sell. These both are now integrated with TradingView, and once the signal or the alert came from TradingView, we will take your trade accordingly. If the long signal will come or the entry plus one will come, then this strategy will start, and you can also like check the logic of it. The logic was buy one lot of future, and if the exit minus one came, then we will exit this future buy. If entry minus one would have come, then we will take the entry for this future sell, and if exit plus one came anytime, this exit plus one, then we will take the exit of this future sell. So now we have completely integrated the TradingView strategies with AlgoTest. They are like some difference between TradingView indicators of how to connect TradingView indicators, and the next thing with TradingView strategies. So do let me know in the chat box if you guys have any queries regarding to anything, and we can solve this. Please explain how to connect with broker with AlgoTest. Sure. To connect your broker, you have to hover over this AL, or you can directly go to this dashboard, and there is a screen called connected brokers. You can go over to broker setup. If you have already set up your broker, whichever broker you are using, let's say you want to connect, let's say Dhan, you can go to setup, whatever the client ID should be, add it, and then you can like log in from that, something like this. So that's how you can connect your broker with AlgoTest. And if you want to like completely automate your strategy of how you can take the signals from TradingView, and then the bridge between the TradingView and your broker is AlgoTest, and then you want to live execute your strategy, then instead of selecting forward test, you can just select the live deployment. You can select whichever strategy you want. Let's say I wanted to select these two. I will select my broker, and then the condition, the execution settings. I have to select the execution settings, and then the process remains the same after this. So I guess this might have resolved your query, Amol Bhagat. Still you have any query, just let me know in the comment section. And one more important thing that I guess we need to talk right now is we provide like two different packages for this bridge, this TradingView signals bridge. So one is the 1 month, which is for 799 credits, and you will get 2 live execution and 2 forward test in it for 28 days. The next plan is this 6-month signal bridge plan, which cost you like 4,000 credits, and you again get 2 live execution, 2 forward test in for like 6 months. But there are some additional features which you also get. The one is this Pine script coding, and we code your Pine script logics, whichever logic you have. Let it be some based on some indicators, or let it be based on some chart type or price action, whatever it can be. We can code it for you in the Pine script, and it's for absolutely free. If you have a 6-month signal bridge plan, then Pine script will be free. And the next thing is relationship manager, that you will get a dedicated relationship manager for it also. Mr. Aman is asking, sir, there is any video playlist to learn full automation with this algo? Yes, sir. They are like there's a TradingView, I guess there's a TradingView playlist on the channel itself. I will just verify it once. Give me a second. Yes, we have TradingView videos. We have around 20 videos, and I will just share the link with all of you guys. This is the link for playlist, Mr. Raman. You can like also watch all those videos of how to automate your TradingView. I have strategy on option chart, not on spot. How to automate that on AlgoTest. So Pradeep sir, currently we only support the automation with spot data or the index data. Currently we do not support for the option chart. All Bhagat, but sir, setup fires is completely different. I will just look at it. All you have to go to broker setup. Again, we have to find. They are like app ID and secret ID, and you have to copy paste this redirect URL. So I guess you have to go to your broker ones and ask this app ID and secret ID. You have to create an app over there, and once you create that app, you will get the app ID and secret ID which you have to fill here. And when you were trying to create your app, you have to create this, copy this redirect URL, and you have to paste it somewhere over there. Currently I don't have any fires account, so I cannot like show you of how it can be done, but it's pretty simple. We have written all the steps. If you follow the steps, I think the integration will be pretty easy. And I will also share the Telegram link with all of you guys so that you can join our group. And once you join the group, then you can ask all of you guys also over there. So here's the link of the Telegram group, and you can click on this. You can join the group, and once you will join this group, then all the admins will be able to help you over there also. Why backtest data is so different from live, having all settings for condition after adding one plus? I guess you are asking about for 920 backtest data. We have also posted a video yesterday. If your strategy is an option buying strategy, I recommend you to watch that video, AD, and we have like recommended some execution settings, that which execution setting you should use while you are using an option buying strategy to match your backtest data with live. Suresh, if profit factor percentage more, it will good, right? Present profitable also. Yes, sir. So if I am going to like strategy tester, so this video is, or this live stream, what I'm doing, I'm just demonstrating of how to connect TradingView strategy with AlgoTest. And for your like to learn it, I have presented you with the template. You can always change. This is no strategy recommendation. You can always change this inputs. Let it, I'm using 21, maybe you want to use 5. You can use 9, whichever you want. You can change the VWAP source. You can change the stop loss and targets according to you. I was taking the trading futures. You might want to like change the bank nifty to not on futures but maybe on the spot data itself. You might want to change the parameters, and yes, so yes sir, you can change all those parameters, and maybe you are able to find a better, a profitable strategy which has maybe more percent profitable, less drawdowns, more average per trade, more net profit. So the template is yours. You can change the inputs according to your need, and uh, you can use it, you can automate it with AlgoTest. Next is, please make Camrilla pivot point indicator with multi-time frame daily, 4 hour, weekly, monthly. Thank you. Tarnaka, let me check what you are asking for. Camrilla. Okay. I guess it's decided. So I guess you are asking for this strategy, right? So if you want to like uh, if you want to generate signals using this indicator or this strategy, what you can do, you can again join our signals group, as AlgoTest signals group, and you can like ask any of the admin for this. If you have a 6-month signal based plan, then we will be creating your Mindscript code for this, and then you can trade using this indicator or this strategy. Sameer Verma, when will positional trading option come out? Soon, sir. We are working on it. Positional trading BTST, and soon it will be available with everyone. They are using, they are asking for webhook URL, and I'm unable to understand what to do. Amol sir, I will recommend you to like join our Telegram, and I guess we will be better to solve your query over here, over there, like whichever webhook URL. I don't think there will be any webhook URL. There will be a redirect URL when you are trying to integrate the files with AlgoTest and you're trying to create the app. If you still have any query, then show sir, let us know on the Telegram. We will be able to help you better over there. So Misa, yes, we have noted the positional, I guess all of you guys want, and we are working on it, and soon we will edit. सनु दीवार सर, एंजल वन ऑप्शन बाइंग एल्गो के लिए कैसे रहेगा? सनु दीवार, कैन यू प्लीज elaborate on the issue that angel one option buying algo के लिए कैसे रहेगा? Oh, angel one, yes sir, angel one is a good broker. We recommend like few execution settings which you can go, if you go on our AlgoTest YouTube channel, you can find, I guess we uploaded it like couple of days ago, and you can go over there, you can check what are the recommended execution settings. If you're going to use those settings, then I guess everything will remain great. Camrilla strategy. Tanaka, please join our like Telegram channel. Tell us your requirement over there. I guess we will be able to help you with whatever thing you need, either be it TradingView strategy or indicator. So currently there is no entry or exit signal. Like what I saw with this strategy, that it give few signals each day because we are using such a big time frame. सनु दिवस सर, एल्गो टेस्ट के टीम के साथ कॉल पे बात नहीं हो सकती? सनु दिवाकर जी, कॉल पे तो अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है, लेकिन आप हमारा टेलीग्राम पर ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे हम, हाँ, जो एडमिन्स हैं या फिर साहिल है, हमेशा अवेलेबल रहते हैं आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए। तो आपकी जो भी क्वेरी हो वो आपकी रिजॉल्व कर दी जाएगी वहाँ पे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप के ऊपर। सो जोन से ये आपका स्ट्रेटजी का लिंक है, ये स्ट्रेटजी का लिंक आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर है, या फिर अभी चिंतन सर ने इसको चैट बॉक्स में भी डाला था। मैं वापस एक बार कॉपी कर दे के भेज देता हूँ। स्टिल अगर आपका कोई भी डाउट है इसके रिगार्डिंग कि ट्रेडिंग व्यू स्ट्रेटजी को कैसे कनेक्ट करना है या ट्रेडिंग व्यू इंडिकेटर को कैसे कनेक्ट करना है, सिग्नल्स को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, सो प्लीज़ हमें बताइए यहाँ पे, एंड हम आपका इशू रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं। जो प्राइसिंग प्लान है वो मैंने आपको भी बताया कि क्या रहेंगे। एक 8,999 का है ये वाला, 799 का, एंड नेक्स्ट आपके लिए एक ऑफर है जो है 3,999 क्रेडिट्स का, जिसके अंदर आपको 5 क्रेडिट सपोर्ट मिलता है 6 मंथ्स के लिए, कम्प्लीटली फ्री। एल्गो टेस्ट में एक ही स्ट्रेटजी मैं कोटक अकाउंट में काम नहीं कर सकते। नहीं सर, मल्टी कोटक अकाउंट आप नहीं यूज़ कर सकते। अगर आपके ब्रोकर, मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स हैं, जैसे मान लीजिए एक कोटक हो गया, एक फायर्स हो गया, एक धन हो गया, वो चीज़ आप कर सकते हैं, मल्टी ब्रोकर यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सेम ब्रोकर के आप मल्टीपल अकाउंट नहीं ऐड कर सकते एल्गो टेस्ट के अंदर। ऑल्सो अगर आपका एल्गो टेस्ट का अकाउंट नहीं है अभी तक और आप यहाँ पे क्रिएट करने वाले हैं, तो आई विल सजेस्ट कि आप एक रेफरल कोड के अंदर रैम्स 21 यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे रेफरल कोड क्या है। तो अगर आप ये वाला रेफरल कोड से एल्गो टेस्ट का अकाउंट बनाते हैं, तो आप जितने भी क्रेडिट परचेज करेंगे, जैसे एल्गो टेस्ट पे पहले क्रेडिट परचेज करने पड़ते हैं एंड देन उसके ऊपर आप प्लान बाय करते हो, तो आप जितने भी परचेज करेंगे क्रेडिट्स, उनमें आपको 25% एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट्स मिलेंगे हर बारी। तो अगर आपके पास पहले से एल्गो टेस्ट अकाउंट नहीं है, तो आप इस कोड का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इस रेफरल कोड का यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, ताकि आपको 25% एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट्स मिल जाए, फ्री क्रेडिट्स मिल जाए 25% एक्स्ट्रा। आई विल, एक बारी मैं आप सबके साथ फिर से सिग्नल्स ग्रुप का लिंक शेयर कर देता हूँ। ये हमारा टेलीग्राम का लिंक है, आप इसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। आपने हमारा लाइव देखा, बाकी हम एक मैंने प्लेलिस्ट भी ऊपर शेयर करी है, तो आप उस पूरी प्लेलिस्ट को भी देख सकते हैं कि कैसे आप ट्रेडिंग व्यू के साथ इंडिकेटर स्ट्रेटजी या फिर चार्टिंग का भी यूज़ करके पूरी की पूरी ऑटोमेशन कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आपका जो अलर्ट है वो ट्रेडिंग व्यू से या फिर चार्टिंग से आता है, एंड वहाँ के अलर्ट आने से आपके एल्गो टेस्ट के ऊपर ट्रेड स्टार्ट हो जाती है। अभी हमने जो अभी करा वो हमने ट्रेडिंग व्यू स्ट्रेटजीज के साथ कनेक्शन देखा था। आप यही इसी तरीके का सिमिलर प्रोसेस ट्रेडिंग इंडिकेटर्स के साथ भी कर सकते हैं एंड चार्टिंग के साथ भी कर सकते हैं। हाफ ट्रेंड को कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आई गेस सर हाफ ट्रेंड का भी इंडिकेटर अवेलेबल होगा। आप यहाँ पे जाते हैं और लिखते हैं हाफ ट्रेंड, तो ये हाफ ट्रेंड की स्ट्रेटजी है। मैं कोई पुरानी स्ट्रेटजी एक बार हटा देता हूँ। तो स्ट्रेटजी ने कुछ दिया नहीं है इतने टाइम में, तो इसके अंदर भी आपके इनपुट्स हैं, आप इनपुट्स को चेंज कर सकते हैं, अलर्ट को चेंज कर सकते हैं। इन्होंने भी मतलब काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, तो एक प्री बिल्ड स्ट्रेटजी है जो पहले से ही उसके अंदर अवेलेबल है। अगर स्टिल आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट इससे कुछ अलग है, आपको कुछ और कस्टमाइजेबल कोड चाहिए, तो आप यहाँ पे हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं, हम आपके लिए कोड भी कर देंगे, जो भी आपका कोड रहेगा। प्लीज़ क्लैरिफाई विच वन इज़ बेटर बिलो। सर किस में पूछ रहे हैं आप सुरेश जी की, किस में क्या बेटर है? इफ़ यू कैन लाइक एलेबोरेट ऑन दिस इशू। सो आई गेस यहीं पे हम अपना आज का सेशन क्लोज करते हैं। तो पूरा मैं एक बार ये रिव्यू करता हूँ कि हमने क्या क्या करा है। तो सबसे पहले हम गए इस वाली स्ट्रेटजी पे, जिसका लिंक आपके डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर ही है। आपने इस पूरी को कॉपी करा, पाइन एडिटर को खोला, एक न्यू ओपन करी स्ट्रेटजी, इसके अंदर आपने पेस्ट करा अपने कोड को, एंड कोड को पेस्ट करके हमने इसको सेव कर लिया। सेव करने के बाद हम स्ट्रेटजी टेस्टर में गए, सेटिंग्स के अंदर जाके मैंने अपने इनपुट पैरामीटर्स चेंज करे। इनपुट पैरामीटर्स चेंज करके जो मेरे को स्ट्रेटजी सबसे सही लगी, सबसे अच्छी लगी, उस स्ट्रेटजी को हमने यहाँ पे अपने पास सेव कर लिया। मल्टीपल इनपुट से आप मल्टीपल इनपुट्स को चेंज कर सकते हैं। देन हम गए एल्गो टेस्ट पे। एल्गो टेस्ट पे न्यू सिग्नल पे मैंने क्लिक करा, ट्रेडिंग व्यू स्ट्रेटजीज पे क्लिक करा, फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट सेलेक्ट करा। फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट सेलेक्ट करके हमने दो स्ट्रेटजी सेलेक्ट कर बनाई, एक फ्यूचर बाई की, एक फ्यूचर सेल की। एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैम मैंने वापस यहाँ पे पाइन एडिटर के अंदर आके अपने कमेंट और अलर्ट को वहाँ पे पेस्ट करा। स्ट्रेटजी डॉट एंट्री और स्ट्रेटजी डॉट क्लोज में, अगर आपकी पाइन स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर स्ट्रेटजी डॉट एग्जिट है तो वहाँ पे भी। तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कि आपको कहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है, आपने उस चीज़ को पेस्ट करा। एंड वंस दिस इज डन, आपको हमने एक वेब बुक यूआरएल प्रोवाइड करा, और हमने आपको एक जेसन मैसेज प्रोवाइड करा, जो मैंने यहाँ पे अलर्ट में गया तो अलर्ट के अंदर जाके हमने क्रिएट करा था। मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो आपका पिछला वाला जो अलर्ट है वो यहाँ पे है। तो मैसेज के अंदर हमने उस जेसन को कॉपी कर दिया, अपने हिसाब से हमने कुछ अलर्ट नेम रख दिया, एंड नोटिफिकेशन के अंदर वेब बुक यूआरएल में जाके हमने वेब बुक को पेस्ट कर दिया। तो एक सिंगल अलर्ट की हेल्प से आपकी पूरी स्ट्रेटजी क्रिएट हो गई, जिसमें आपकी फ्यूचर बाई भी होगा, फ्यूचर सेल भी होगा, एंड रेदर देन क्रिएटिंग मल्टीपल अलर्ट्स, यहाँ पे आपका सिंगल अलर्ट्स में ही काम हो गया। सर हाफ ट्रेंड जो फास्ट में आता है ट्रेडिंग व्यू में, उसको यूज़ करके सर सनु सर प्लीज़ आप हमारे सिग्नल्स वाले जो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है वहाँ पे आके अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट बताइए कि क्या आप मांग रहे हैं, एंड श्योरली वी विल हेल्प यू विद इट। हाफ ट्रेंड आई नो देयर इज इंडिकेटर कॉल्ड हाफ ट्रेंड, लेकिन आप उसको मतलब कैसे यूज़ करना चाह रहे हैं, क्या आपकी कस्टमाइजेशन है, वो आप हमें हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे ऊपर आके किसी भी एडमिन के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, थैंक्स गाइस फॉर दिस वंडरफुल सेशन, एंड डू लेट अस नो अगर आपकी कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। तो मैंने यहाँ पे अपना टेलीग्राम का लिंक शेयर कर दिया टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का, आप उसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं एंड अपनी क्वेरीज को रिजॉल्व करवा सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, थैंक्स गाइस, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम।